Well, hello there. Welcome to another break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me, and today I've actually got a mega box of Topps Chrome Baseball. So as most probably already know by now, the short print rookies are not available in retail, whether it be Target or whether it be the blasters, these megas. I haven't seen any retail packs, or for that matter, fat packs, but I'm guessing if they did have those out there that you cannot get the rookies in there as well. But you do have all your other odds there that you can certainly take a screen grab of, and then as well you've got your NPN information. But I just decided to one box yesterday. I just couldn't see spending money on more than one, but the chances of getting an auto might be a little bit better in this than it would be a blaster. So just like, even though I'm still waiting for my logo fractor packs, you do have the foam on the top of the packs to kind of protect them. And then, one pack hiding in there. So there's all that. Let's see what can pull out of these, if there be anything. Now, like you saw in the box, there are the Xfractors in these, so there's pretty much 10, so one a pack. So we start off with a Ryan Mountcastle, a Brandon Marsh, who's going on with the Phillies in the next round, Trevor Larnish, Xfractor, Matt Vierling, rookie, and a Luis Robert. And this one's a little bit thicker, so it's probably got the extra pack of the extra card of the black and white, maybe. We do have a refractor. Let's go to Tyler Glass now, Yohan Moncada, Ryan Zimmerman, Rhys Hoskins, again another Philly, regular base refractor, an Aaron Ashby rookie, Xfractor, oh, we got one of those new classics, is it? Yeah. So John Lester, wow, on the cards. Jackson Kowar for the Royals. Zach Thompson for the Pirates. Trey Turner, who got bounced last night, and an Alexander Wells rookie. I do like the other insert that they do, like the City Connect or whatever they're referring to it is, Heart of the City, something like that. Vlad, Seth Beer rookie, Jorge Soler for the Braves, who got bounced yesterday, Kyle Seager when he was still on the Mariners, Carlos Correa when he was still on the Astros. It just seems strange just to have these players still in their old unis. Cody Bellinger, a nice Acuna refractor, Javi Baez Xfractor, Buster Posey, who's retired, and Zach Greinke. So far, nothing numbered. And from what I've seen, that is the tough. They come tough to come by. Rosarena, Carson Kelly, and our Xfractor in this one is a Brandon Lau. Joe Musgrove was the winning pitcher last night. I think he was the winning pitcher. Maybe he had no decision, but Marquez. Next pack. Again, still waiting for the first color, numbered, anything. Carlos Santana. You got a prism refractor of Miguel Cabrera. And a J.D. Martinez Xfractor. And Alec Baum. Ramil Reyes for the Guardians, who could potentially close out their series this afternoon or this evening, however you want to say it, against the Yankees. DJ LeMahieu, Joey Votto, Cal Raleigh. Of course, Mariners lost yesterday. Brandon Woodruff, and a Corey Seager Xfractor. Down to the last two packs. Again, like I say, still no color. No numbered. No auto. No anything. Andrew McCutchen. Hyunjin Ryu. Patrick Wisdom. Kyle Tucker for the Astros who are going on, and a Matt Chapman. Again, still shows them on the Oakland Athletics. Oh yeah, here's one of the Heart of the Cities, or whatever it's called. I think it is anyway. Nope, it's Future Star. Joe Adell, Max Muncy, Sonny Gray, a Jazz Chisholm Future Star, and a Shohei Ohtani Xfractor. Not a rookie, but between him and Judge, fighting it out for the MVP. It'll probably be Judge, but it could easily be Ohtani. So again, no numbered cards, no autograph. But it did get to 10. I want to say I got to 10. And here we go. So we got the Future Star Jazz Chisholm for the Marlins. Then our Xfractors, we get the Shohei Ohtani, Matt Chapman, Corey Seager, J.D. Martinez, Brandon Lau, Javi Baez, Jorge Soler, Alexander Wells, Aaron Ashby, rookie, Trevor Larnach. He is not a rookie, I don't think. And then we get the Prism Refractor of Miguel Cabrera. Then for just regular refractors, come on. Got the Rhys Hoskins, Acuna, Brandon Woodruff. Got the Trey Turner, new classic. And the Brandon Marsh 87. And like I say, not numbered. Just a base version. So yeah, that's pretty much what you can expect out of a mega box of 2022 Topps Chrome Baseball. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you all have a great rest of your day. And as always, keep collecting.